You like to listen music, right? Then there are real ways to make money by listening to music. There are many legitimate apps, websites, and music programs that will pay you just for listening to music while you are on your computer, watching TV, eating, or working. If you like to listen to music and want to know how to get paid to do it, this video will show you how. But before all of that, welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Calvin, and here's a big money moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you stay up to date on all of our Make Money Online secrets. Now, let's do this. Can I get paid for listening to music? Yes, if you like music, getting paid to listen to it is a fun side job and a real way to make money online from home or anywhere with internet access. Most likely you use Spotify, but did you know that you could make money off of your Spotify playlist? You can actually get paid to listen to Spotify or internet radio. You can sign up for online platforms through apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music, rate it, and then write about it. It's a simple and fun way to make money while you eat or watch TV. Even though it doesn't pay as much as regular jobs, listening to music will still give you a little extra money every month. All you have to do is sign up for the best real apps, websites, and music programs that will really pay you for listening to music. What apps and websites pay you to listen to music? There are a lot of apps that let you make extra money or make money on the side that you can use on your phone. For example, you can make money by listening to music, which is something you already do every day. If you want to know how to get paid to listen to music, here are the best websites and apps that will pay you to do so. All of these sites and apps are free to use. 1. Current App. If you've been wondering how to get paid to listen to music, the Current App will pay you real money to listen to music on your lock screen. Through the Current Music app, you can search for and play from more than 100,000 radio stations. The more you play, the more money you make. By getting your friends to download the Current app, you can also get gift cards and cash. The Current app is the only way to listen to music on your lock screen without having to pay for a subscription. With this app, you can listen to music and earn cash rewards while working on your computer, working out, watching TV, eating, running, commuting, or at work. You can also make money by listening to free music and radio players that work offline. When you listen to music, you'll get points that can be turned into cash. You can also get cash rewards from this app by taking surveys, giving you honest opinion, inviting friends, and doing other things. 2. Nielsen Market Research. With the Nielsen Market Research app, you can listen to music and make money at the same time. Both Google Play and the App Store let you get the Nielsen app. When you download and install the Nielsen app, you give the app permission to see how to use your device. For market research, the app will then keep track of what you do on your devices, like what kind of music you listen to, what streaming services you use, etc. After that, Nielsen will pay you for taking part in their research. For example, you can make money with Nielsen's computer and mobile panel by listening to your own playlists that you already have on your devices. Even though you can only make up to $50 a year with the Nielsen app, it's a simple way to make money while listening to music on your phone or tablet. 3. Earnably. Earnably is a site like Swagbucks that gives its members free gift cards and instant cash for doing simple online tasks, taking surveys, and watching videos. You can earn cash and gift cards through Earnably by doing things like listening to music. If you listen to your favorite radio stations, you will get points. You can use your points to get PayPal cash right away or free gift cards from the brands and stores you love. You can make more money by inviting your friends, family, and followers. When someone uses your unique referral link to sign up for Earnably, you'll get 10% of their earnings for life. 4. Slice Tippy. You can get paid to listen to unreleased music on Slice Tippy, which is one of the most reputable and well-known websites and applications in this category. After you listen to a song, they ask you to write a review. If you like music, writing about it is a great way to share your thoughts and make money. You can't keep and choose which songs you want to review. Slice Tippy picks one for you to listen to at random. All of the tracks are unknown to you until you get them. Before you can write a review of a song, you need to listen at least 19 seconds of it. Your review needs to be at least 45 words long. The more information you give in your reviews, the more money you can make. The pay for each review is between 3 cents and 15 cents. Even though it's not much, it adds up over time. If you have at least $10, you can use PayPal to get your money. Joining is completely free. 5. Hit Predictor. You can get paid to rate songs online at Hit Predictor. On this site, you can pick the types of music you want to hear instead of getting a mix of everything. But this means that you won't always have much to review. When you listen to music on this site, you can rate songs or artists based on how you like them. For each rating, you will get points. Hit Predictor gives you 3 points every time you find a rare song. You can use these points to buy gift cards. When you have 500 points, you can enter raffles for $50 to $100 iTunes gift cards or 1,250 points for free DVDs and CDs. You can also enter a lot of contests and win other prizes every day. 6. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is both a radio station and an app. Joining is completely free. You can listen to the station once you have signed up on their website. Every 15 minutes, you earn points that can be turned into cash or gift cards. You can make money every time someone clicks on this link to listen to the radio station from your website or social media accounts. After a month, these points will be turned into US dollars. You can get your money by wire transfer, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin BTC. For every 15 minutes you listen to the radio, you get a point. You can get more points if you listen more. The points will be exchanged for US dollars. 7. Unique Rewards. Unique Rewards is a reward site that lets you make easy money by doing what you like. On Unique Rewards, there are many ways to make money. This app will pay you to do things like take surveys and offers, listen to music, watch videos, read emails, shop online, click on ads, and play free games. As a Unique Rewards member, you can get paid to listen to the radio. You can choose to listen to any radio station you want. A CAPTCHA will show up every 30 minutes. You get paid for every CAPTCHA code that is sent in. Users in the United States earn 3 cents for every CAPTCHA code they submit, while users in the United Kingdom and Canada earn 1 cent. The smallest amount you can cash out is $20. You can cash out your earnings every Monday as long as you have at least $20 in your account. You can do this through PayPal, Bitcoins, or a check. 8. Music X-Ray. Music X-Ray is the largest and probably most reliable website where you can listen to music and get paid to do so. You get paid for every song you hear. You need to listen for no more than 30 seconds. You can choose your favorite types of music, so you can get paid to listen to what you like. It's a great way to make some extra money doing something you love. This also means that you can only listen to as many songs as the artists in your favorite genre upload. Music X-Ray pays about 10 cents every 30 seconds, or up to $12 per hour. To cash out, you'll need at least $10. The money can be taken out of your PayPal account. Joining is completely free. If you are active on this site and listen to music all day, you can make between $100 and $200 per month by doing so. How to get paid to listen to music on Spotify? Spotify gives you instant access to millions of songs. You can stream any song you want on your computer, phone, tablet or TV. Just hit play to stream anything you want, from old favorites to the newest hits. You can also download music to play when you're not online. Spotify gives you unlimited ad-free music that you can listen to right away. But have you ever considered making money from your Spotify playlist? If you make a great Spotify playlist and then add a track by a new artist, most of the people who listen to your playlist will also hear that new track. If your playlist gets thousands of streams every day, new artists can reach out to you to be added to it. You can charge a set fee for a new artist to be on your playlist. You can use sites like Playlist Push to list your playlist in their directory, where artists come to look for good playlists to be in. If you want to know how to get paid to listen to music on Spotify, make sure to add the best track from an up-and-coming artist that you think fits your playlists the best. How much money can I really make by listening to music online? You can make money by listening to music online. How much money you can make depends on how often you use one of the apps or websites above that pay you to listen to music. If you get paid to listen to songs and write reviews about them, how much you can earn by listening to music online will depend on how long and good your reviews are. Also, the amount you can make by listening to music online varies from one app or website to the next that pays you to do so. If you want to make money without a job, this side job won't help you do that. Listening to music will not make you rich, but it is a great thing to do while doing something else, like eating or watching TV. To sum it up, if you want to make the most money possible, you need to join more than one platform. Final thoughts on making money from listening to music. As you can see, there are a lot of ways to make money by listening to music. You won't make a lot of money by listening to music, but it's a fun way to make some extra cash doing something you already enjoy. If you like music, check out these apps that will pay you to listen to music. Sign up for as many apps as you can to make the most money. You can't rely on these apps as your main way to make money, but you can use them to make a little extra money every month. Sign up for as many sites as you can to make the most money. But if you really want to make the most money, check this hour.